Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Fantom price prediction in Fantom news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Fantom in 2022. Fantom is an open source and permissionless decentralized smart contract platform for decentralized applications and digital assets, one of many blockchain networks created to provide an alternative to Ethereum. The Fantom mainnet blockchain was launched in December 2019, and its network architecture aims to provide a viable solution to the blockchain trilemma by providing a stable balance of scalability, security, and decentralization. The Fantom Foundation was founded by South Korean computer scientist Dr. On Byung-ik. The current CEO of the platform is David Richardson, former managing director of Mid-Ocean Consulting. According to the official website, the Fantom team consists of engineers of various specializations, scientists, researchers, designers, and entrepreneurs. Employees are scattered all over the world in accordance with the spirit of the distributed platform. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Fantom. Fantom surpasses Ethereum on daily transaction volume. With a market cap rank on CoinGecko of only 32, Fantom is now starting to do more daily volume than Ethereum, which is ranked 2 in market capitalization. Fantom's market cap stands at $4.7 billion, compared with Ethereum's $350 billion. Ethereum is perceived as the blockchain where most transactions are happening. Much investment has gone into the blockchain, even though it has massive scalability issues. ETH 2.0, while not guaranteeing to fix the problems, is still a long way off. Therefore, such a comparatively small-ranked competitor, which is doing a similar amount of transaction volume, and is now beginning to even surpass the volume transacted on Ethereum, needs to be recognized as a serious contender for more investment. The above chart shows the Fantom daily transactions on FMScan. As well as a nice increase since May 21, we can also see that recently on 25 February, daily transactions peaked at 1.48 million. At the same time, if we look at the Ethereum daily transactions taken from Etherscan.io, then we can see that the transactions were actually less over the last few days. It cannot be argued that Fantom, which is a directed-acyclic graph, DAG, rather than a blockchain, can be superior to Ethereum, which has much better stability and security. However, it does look like Fantom and its ecosystem have a lot of upside, considering the comparatively tiny market cap, compared with Ethereum and other Layer 1 blockchains. With Bitcoin starting to consolidate the break of the downward trend, altcoins such as Fantom, and many others in its ecosystem, could well be facing a lot of growth, especially if we do see another leg up for the bull run. And the second news, Solidly users claim loss of funds. Users of the newly launched Solidly exchange platform have been talking about a security flaw in the protocol's smart contracts. According to them, the bug is causing a loss of funds from the liquidity pools. One such user, going by the pseudonym Niklas, has claimed that they have lost around $21,000 worth of the Fantom (FTM) token in a Solidly transaction. Furthermore, they blamed the lack of verification on the liquidity pool behind this loss of funds. Niklas stated, "I have lost all my funds in a Solidly transaction. When the transaction executed, it returned 0.01% of what I should have received. It seems the exchange chose a stable liquidity pool LP without liquidity, when there was another variable LP with all the liquidity. It means there is no verification of the LP liquidity when the AM automatically selects stable or variable LPs, without any possible user intervention." Another user claimed that they lost funds worth around $24,000 because of a faulty swap between stablecoin USDC and FTM. Cronj denies security flaw. However, Andrei Cronj, popular DeFi architect and the creator of the Solidly exchange, has dismissed all claims of fund loss from Solidly liquidity pools. In conversation with Bing Crypto, Cronj claimed that no bugs have been detected in any of the live smart contracts. He also specifically addressed the claims made by Niklas, stating, "That's the only thing that has happened, and that's due to users not confirming their output received. They then trade through low liquidity pools. This is not a loss of funds in liquidity pools. This is simply users trading via pairs that don't have liquidity, which again, is nothing on the protocol level." Trouble at launch. Despite Cronj's assurances, it is interesting to note that this is the second time Solidly has been in the news for less than ideal reasons. The first time was the controversy surrounding its launch, where users were left frustrated due to confusion stemming from a power struggle between Solidex and Zero's DAO. It all started when Cronj distributed ownership to top Fantom protocols based on TVL, leading to a struggle between the two teams on Fantom. Even though Zero's DAO emerged stronger, the team announced that they were not ready for the launch. Users turned towards Solidex in light of this announcement. However, top pools on Solidex were not providing any rewards, and liquidity providers were going empty-handed. Because of the immutable and non-upgradable nature of the smart contracts on Solidly and Solidex, the issue cannot be resolved entirely. The Solidex team is instead looking to ways to mitigate the problem, indicating strong buying at lower levels. The bulls will now attempt to push the price to the downtrend line of the descending channel. This is an important level to watch out for, because a break and close above it will indicate a possible change in trend. The AVAX-USDT pair could first rally to $100, and thereafter start an up move to $120. This bullish view will invalidate if the price turns down from the current level, or the overhead resistance and breaks below $70. The price has been trading between the overhead resistance at $83 and the moving averages. The 20 EMA is flattening out, and the RSI is near the midpoint, indicating a balance between supply and demand. This balance will shift in favor of the bears if they pull the price below $76. The pair could then drop to the next support at $73. Alternatively, if the price rebounds off the current level and breaks above $83, the pair could pick up momentum and rally to the overhead resistance zone at $97 to $100. ATOM USDT Cosmos, ATOM, rebounded from the strong support at $20 on February 24th. This indicates that traders are attempting to keep the $20 to $45 range intact. Today we will discuss the Fantom price prediction for 2022-2025. Is Fantom, FTM, a good investment? Now we will analyze this. FTM rate prediction 2022. FTM will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Fantom rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Fantom rate will be almost $2.21. The maximum bet we can get is $2.61. Fantom average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $2.28. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. FTM, price prediction 2023. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Fantom will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2023, FTM is expected to peak at $3.94. The minimum bet could rise to $3.19 if the market turns bullish. Price Fantom forecast 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Fantom could cross $5.52 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around $4.76. FTM price forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Fantom price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average FTM price will rise to around $7.20 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $8.32 with a minimum price level $6.96. And what does 2026 promise us? FTM can reach $12.03 by 2026 with significant collaboration with financial institutions if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $9.96 for 2026, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2026.